Hey guys, just wanted to take a minute and talk to you guys about Earth Day. Some of you know today, April 22nd, is Earth Day, and it actually started in 1970. It started in a bunch of colleges and universities. They got together throughout the United States, and they brought Americans out into the sunshine to show some demonstrations of environmental reform. And now it's celebrated across the globe. It's a great day to just get out in nature and just remember to take care of this wonderful planet we have. So next time you're out there taking a hike or just out hanging out on the beach, if you see some trash, pick it up, recycle it. We want to take care of this place for our future generations. So we're picking up litter because it's part of his park ranger guide, and it's just a good thing to do. So pick up that can there and that McDonald's cup. Try not to put your hands on where the mouth part is. Can you get it? There you go. We'll go put it in a trash can up here, okay? If you want to learn more about Earth Day, you can head over to earthday.org. They show a whole bunch of projects they're currently working on that you can help support. And again, if you like this video, please give it a like. You got any comments about Earth Day or anything fun you guys are doing, please leave us a comment below. And if you want to see more travel type videos, go ahead and give us a subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next trip.